Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to my channel, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to add pages to your Weebly website. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, I'm gonna open up my computer browser and I'm going to my Weebly website. So as you can see right here, this is my editor of my site right here. So in order for you to add pages, so as you can see, I have 3 pages right here. I have blog, who we are, and get in touch. So if you want to add or delete some pages, all you need to do is go to pages right here beside build and themes. So I'm just going to click on pages right here. So as you can see right here, these are the 3 pages I currently have with my website. So in order to add a page, all you need to do is to click on this plus icon right here, and you have the option to select a standard page, blog page, category page, product page, external page, or a non-clickable menu. So I'm just going to select a standard page. So this allows me to add a new standard page. So I'm just going to click on that, and you have the option to name your page. So I'm just going to select or say, let's just say context. So you can actually click this box right here if you want to hide this in the navigation. And you also have select a type, whether you want this to be a header type. You can actually make this a no header or a splash. And visibility, you can actually make this public or members or groups only, or you can actually select or get a password when someone actually goes to this certain type of page right about here. Next is the SEO settings. You can now actually select a page title, or you can edit the SEO settings if you want to actually do that. So next is I'm just going to select done right here. So as you can see right here, the contacts page has now been added into my website. So as you can see, that's it for this video. It is very simple, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course, click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!